am now going to be testing out Stochastic with Pocket Option Auto Trader, and I'll let it take a few trades. If you find this type of videos interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. Also, if you want to have this binary option robot yourself, you find a link below the video for Android and for desktop. Also, you'll find a link about the video if you are on X. So let's start that robot and let's see how much money we make in this video.
Hey, yeah, let's see how you do under pressure with my pocket option. Boom. Yeah. I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me, brush it off, pick myself up. Moving on to the better. Okay. Yeah. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early feeling rich like me, the alpha when I get to the paper, boy. Stay here with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the island. We up in the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on to the next. Fuck this up, I send you back to your old mentor. Buckle up with that, as big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. Give them a name to remember. Okay.
And just like that, 67% win rate with a $1,580 profit. Amazing in my book. So this strategy we can see works amazingly also on a 5-second close. So like I said, link about the video if you are on X, and link below the video if you are on YouTube. So with that, have an amazing day.